guys, it's Breezy and Dino. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video, and we know school can be stressful if you don't have the right tips or hacks to help you along the way in school.
So that's where we come in clutch, and we will give you guys some really good tips on how to go through school. Period.
We also would like to say that we broke the school hacks into 3 different sections, so stay tuned and keep watching.
Hey guys, our first school hack is how to stay calm during a stressful situation, featuring my lovely sister, Breezy. Look at Breezy, she got all this homework and all these projects to do in such a short time. Breezy's stressing. Good idea? A break. Let's go take a break and eat some snacks. Another way to help is to take a few deep breaths and to put your work in sections. Stay stress-free. Thanks, Breezy.
The second school hack is to stay on top of your work, and that might sound harder than it is, but my lovely sister Dina will show you how to do it. The first tip in the second school hack is to just take the time out just to go over all of your work, all your tabs. So the last and final school hack we have for you guys is how to study. Not a lot of people know how to do this. This is why they get frustrated and they feel like they can't do it. Here are some ways to help you study the right way. For studying, it might be hard because you're trying to memorize everything. You don't want to cram. One thing that's very easy is if you highlight, take time out, take breaks, and to listen to nice music like this. More ways to help you study is that you can get apps that can actually help you with what you're doing. You have Slander, you have Quizlet, you have PhotoMath for all you people that don't understand a lot of math. Writing down information and highlighting things will help you memorize things easier on tests and for quizzes. Remove any distractions from electronics from your reach, or if you have electronics and you need to use it, make sure you only use it for school purposes.
Hey guys, it's Breezy, and I hope those tips were helpful for you guys. If so, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and Breezy is out.